I recently got my hands on this drive, the Transcend 1TB ESD 360C. I gotta say, I've been using it for the past few weeks and it's been awesome. It's sleek, super portable, and most importantly for me, crazy fast. I figured I'd share my experience with you guys and see if it might be a good fit for you too. Whether you're a creative pro, a gamer on the go, or just someone who needs to lug around a lot of files, stick around. After unboxing Transcend 1TB ESD 360C, and let me tell you, this thing is tiny. Seriously, it's like a credit card got jacked with superpowers. It feels super light in my hand, but the aluminum casing makes it seem way more expensive than it is. The size is unreal though. Perfect for throwing in my bag without worrying about space. I can already tell this little guy is going to be a lifesaver for all those times I need to take files on the go. Let's talk about the real question. Is this little guy worth your hard-earned cash? In this price range, around $80, $100, the competition is fierce. I've looked at some other brands like Samsung, SanDisk, Crucial, and Western Digital, and here's why I think the Transcend 1TB ESD 360C stands out. Now, let's talk about what truly matters: performance. Transcend boasts incredible 20 Gbps transfer speeds thanks to the USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface and SLC cache technology. In my tests using Crystal DiskMark and Blackmagic Design Disk Speed Test, I achieved read speeds of up to 950 megabits per second and write speeds of up to 900 megabits per second. These are fantastic numbers that translate to real-world benefits. Transferring large files like videos and games happened in no time at all. I wouldn't exactly recommend using it for Frisbee practice, but the MIL STD 810G rating means it can handle a good bump. Plus, the aluminum case feels nice and sturdy in my hand. Compared to some plastic competitors, it feels more like a quality product. The ESD 360C seamlessly works with a wider range of devices, including Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, Android, and even some gaming consoles, making it a more versatile option. So no need to worry about compatibility headaches. Unlike some competitors, the Transcend includes both USB Type-C and Type-A cables for maximum compatibility with various devices, future-proofing your investment. Most SSDs in this range leave you hanging when it comes to software, but Transcend includes their elite software for free and provides a comprehensive suite of data management tools like backup, restore, encryption, and disk locking. It's a nice bonus that saves you from having to buy extra software. Honestly, for the price, I haven't found another SSD that offers this complete package. Speed, toughness, compatibility, connections, and free software. The Transcend 1TB ESD 360C seems to tick all the boxes. Overall, the Transcend 1TB ESD 360C is a fantastic portable SSD that I highly recommend. If you're looking for a fast, reliable, and secure storage solution, be sure to check it out. This is a great option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments below what kind of tech reviews you'd like to see next.